Hi and welcome to Lesson 3 of Tax Exempt for WooCommerce. Managing exempted customers and user roles. In this video, I will demonstrate how to manage exempted customers and user roles. From your WordPress dashboard, go to WooCommerce and click on Tax Exemption. Then click on Exempt Customers and Roles. Under Choose Customers, select the specific customers you have already approved for tax exemption. These customers will not need to upload any documents. They can claim the tax exemption during checkout. Let's assign tax exemption status to user roles. Select roles such as administrator and customer. Customers with these roles will automatically qualify for the tax exemption without submitting requests. Once the roles are added, click on Save Changes. When a customer is approved or assigned an exempt role, they will see a checkbox on the checkout page labeled Tax Exemption. They can select the checkbox to remove taxes from their order. This makes the process quick and easy. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Users and click on All Users. Now, edit a user. Scroll down to the Tax Details section. Here, under Tax Exemption Status, you can approve, disapprove, or set an expiration date. To set an expiration date, go to Tax Exemption Expire Date and choose the date. You can also add details such as a tax ID, additional comments, or the tax exemption certificate. You can also revoke the exemption status at any time. Once you have made the changes, scroll down and click on Update User. In this video, you have learned how to manage exempted customers and user roles. That wraps up our lesson. For more plugin tutorials, subscribe to Sleekr Digital.